Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings. And of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the shorter one, the quicker one. So let's enter the dialer and tap on the keypad, and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we can then enter the settings, tap on About Phone, and here we have to go to All Specs. Here let's scroll down and find the status, and as you can see here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the model, just enter model and hardware, and here we've got the serial number. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Xiaomi 11T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.